Kitty Witty. Kitty Witty. There he is, strolling. Well, make sure I don't walk into a customer. Kitty Witty. Whoa. 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 He's like, whoa, cat beds rule. He's like, I am in the coolest place for a cat to be ever. Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. Look at him, he's so good on the... And Kitty Witty is clearly very good on a leash and harness, as he's demonstrating here in the University of Petco. Kitty Witty! Kitty Witty! Look at his pants. He's got little, he looks like he's got a little off. Oh, you know what? Stick him up here. Oh. No? Just let him go. I want to get back in front of him. That was funny. Hang on, Kitty Witty. Whoa, it's going to be a crazy video. Kitty Witty! Oh, are you tired? He says, I'm